Hello everyone. We'll do HTML lists. HTML advanced features under it. The first topic is HTML list. Now before that, to create an HTML document, two softwares are needed. One is Notepad for writing the HTML code. Another is the Internet Explorer or any web browser that can display the HTML code in a web page form. Open the notepad. I have written the basic structure of HTML here. These are some basic tags. Already in class 6, these HTML basic structures are done. So we have to write the list within this body tag, within the starting body and within the ending body tag. Between these body tags, we have to write the list so that it appears on the main body of the web page. For writing the list, we will use UL for unordered list. The complete list that we are going to write will be placed within the UL and /UL tags. Now, unordered list means each item of this list will be in bulleted form. That is, bullets will be placed beside each item of the list. It will not be any number, not be any letter. So these are called unordered list, and they are created by using the UL tags. Within this starting and ending UL tags, we'll write each item of the list. Now each item of the list is created by using the LI tags. First item I am going to create. For that, we have to place our item within the starting LI and ending LI. Suppose you want a list of fruit name. You can, first item is apple, that I have put under starting LI and ending LI. That means it is the first item. If you want another item, then press enter. In the next line, you have to do another list item. For that, again starting LI, then the name of the item, and then again ending LI tag. So the starting LI and ending LI creates a new item. So within the UL tags, the LI tag means one item of the list and UL means the total list. UL is just a list format, and within that LI will make a separate item of the list. It will create a item of the list. So how many LIs you will give, that many items will be created. There are two LIs I have used, that means two items. Similarly, you can put many items like this. So now you have to save the file from here, file, save, and you have to give the extension of the file name as .html. After creating, I have created the file name as lists and saved it as .html file, and it will be saved as a Microsoft Edge, that is the Microsoft Internet Explorer type of file, so that you can view it on the web browser as a web page. Now we will run it. For running it, already you have saved the file. Now double click on this file. You can see that the web page appears and a list has been created. Each list item has a bullet before it. So this is unordered list. And for creating ordered list, you just have to replace this UL with OL and this /UL with /OL. That means it will create a ordered list, and within the ordered list the LI will be the same. LI means each item of the list, so it will be the same, no change. Only for unordered list it will be UL, and for ordered list the container tags will be OL. Now again, if you change it, you have to save it first, then come to the web browser and refresh here. You will see that it has changed to the number form. The bullets have been removed and they are numbered in this form 1 2 3 4. This is ordered list.